Hello, everyone. Today's presentation will be about smart TVs, as Lorianne said. So, what is a smart TV? A smart TV is a traditional TV with the added ability to connect to the internet, allowing users to stream music and videos, download apps, and browse the web. What is a smart TV? If you are looking to buy a new TV, you will find that most TVs today are considered smart TVs, meaning that they have internet connectivity, apps for streaming, smart home functions. But the term smart TV doesn't refer to a television with these features. Pretty much any TV can be converted to a smart TV using a plugin. Types of smart TVs. One type of smart TV is a TV with built-in software that allows you to stream apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. You can also stream music and surf the internet, like watching YouTube or accessing Facebook. Streaming set-top boxes. There's another type of smart TV. These are boxes and sticks that plug into your existing TV, converting it into a smart TV. So some smart TV brands are Samsung, LG, Sony, Vizio, Hisense, and TCL. All of these brands make smart TVs, and any of them can be bought at Best Buy, Walmart, and Target, etc. Operating systems for each one is Tizen, WebOS, Android, SmartCast, VDAA, Android. Generally, all of these systems give you access to the same features, but their interface just looks and feels different. Smart operating systems. This is for Samsung. This is for LG. This is for Sony and TCL, which uses Android. This is for Vizio, which is a SmartCast. Hisense, which uses VDA. And some set-top box smart TVs are Apple TV, Roku, Fire TV, and Chromecast. If you already have a TV but want a smart TV, you can just buy a plug-in version. These are just as good, sometimes better, and cheaper. These are for Apple, Roku, Amazon, and Google, so the companies here. Aside from Roku, you might already be familiar with components of these product interfaces. Like Apple uses like iOS for people who have iPhone or iPads. Google is Google, and that's pretty much it. So this is how it looks like for Apple TV. This is how it looks like for Roku. This is how it looks like for Fire TV. And this is how it looks like for Chromecast. What to consider when buying a smart TV. Consider if you need a whole new TV or if a set-top box smart TV will do. As long as your current TV has an HDMI port, you should be able to just buy and plug in. The operating system is also worth considering, as most smart TVs are pretty simple to use and set up. Are pretty simple to use and set up. But if you do not want to start from scratch, you can choose a smart TV from a brand you're already familiar with. An example as Chromecast, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV. What else is due for consideration? The TV resolution. This merely states that resolution states how good an image would look like on the TV. So the higher the resolution, the better the TV it is. Where you have the high definition TVs provide a super crisp image, but some people do not enjoy it as much. Okay. Most TVs these days are at 50 inches and are above 4K resolution. How to set up a smart TV? Setting up your smart TV is a 3-part process. Part 1, so this is for the set-top box. You have to plug it in one of these HDMI cables, HDMI ports, and the box will have an HDMI cable to connect to this. Then you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. You will then have to go to your settings, and then on your smart TV, you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Depending on your TV, this process will differ. Then after that, you will have to download the apps such as Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, etc. Some of these may be pre-installed on your TV, so check first. Lastly, you want to log into your streaming services. Simply open the app and log into your account. Accessing cable on a smart TV. Buying a smart TV does not mean you are stuck just using streaming services. You will still be able to access your regular cable services. If you're on a smart TV, switching between the two should be seamless. If you're on a plug-in, you'll have to switch between your cable input and your HDMI input to go between the two. Accessing streaming services on a smart TV. You're able to access many pre-downloaded streaming apps on your smart TV. If the streaming service you're looking for isn't on your device, then you can download it. Each smart TV OS should have an app store from where you can download an app. An example would be here where it says apps here where you can download certain applications that aren't offered by the TV. Surfing the web on a smart TV. Most smart TVs should also give you the ability to surf on the internet, but it should be noted that when most websites are not fully compatible with smart TV browsers, meaning using the internet on a smart TV is particularly not easy yet. So for our live demo, we'll be going to Best Buy. So I'll stop my screen share right now and go up to the next one. So you would go to bestbuy.ca or just type in Best Buy, and it'll bring you to this website here. And here you search up smart TVs. And it'll give you a tab of different types of TVs, what are on sale or under $500, and other setups. However, if you click this button here, it brings you to this tab, and this tab here talks about the different operating systems and teaches you more in depth about what system you should use, what are some of the major TV operating system, what is WebOS, and then it goes down further and further explaining which one is which. Thank you for listening.